A unique aspect to Moore & Giles' business model is ready-to-ship furniture. Most furniture which appears on the Moore & Giles website is made to order, meaning that when a customer places their order, the furniture is yet to be assembled to the customer's specifications. However, some variants are pre-assembled and ready to ship as soon as a customer places their order. Selecting the ready-to-ship availability filter will display all products in a category that have in-stock ready-to-ship variants. This is accomplished in BigCommerce using an availability variant option. The values for the availability variant option are made to order and ready to ship. Because native variant options are being used, availability can be displayed as a product filter. Trellis has customized the theme to display the availability filter as a toggle within the category header rather than as a traditional filter in the sidebar. Clicking into the product detail page, you can also see how Trellis has customized the theme to display a sort by delivery view within the product detail page buy box. The sort by delivery view groups ready-to-ship products into their own section. The made-to-order delivery dates are accomplished using variant meta fields. One customization Trellis had to make was hiding the made-to-order variant when a ready-to-ship variant exists, and if a ready-to-ship variant has no inventory, the ready-to-ship variant is not displayed. Trellis accomplished this functionality using native BigCommerce functionality for variant options, product filtering, and meta fields, as well as customizations to the theme using GraphQL. No third-party apps were required in order to accomplish custom ready-to-ship and made-to-order filtering.